So as we covered briefly earlier in this module, the reference box is a virtual box that contains the shape. It establishes the coordinate system, and it controls how the shape will be drawn and positioned. It's created using CSS box model values, margin box, the default, border box, padding box, and content box. I believe that this is easiest to understand if we start at the outside and work our way in, so we'll begin with margin box. The reference box for a shape using margin box will be defined by the outer edges of the margins on the container for the shape. This is the default value if none is otherwise specified. If we take a basic shape such as a circle, for example, its CSS may look something like this. This shape, when rendered, will be positioned based on the parent container's margins. Since our container has no margins defined, it simply extends to the edges of the container. And if we add margin to our container, we'll see that the reference box for the shape has increased and the flow of content now flows around a much larger circle. The margin is applied to all sides of the element, and then the shape function is applied, so our 15em reference box has increased to 19em. With the circle function, the margin simply extends that circle shape. The origin for our coordinate system is still defined by the upper left corner of the reference box, but it has been moved out from the outside edges of the content box to the outer margin edge or the margin box. Okay, so now that we understand how margin box works, coming up next, let's take a look at border box and how it works.